Good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor EMI-Digital from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Now, today we are discussing the new topic of course electrical measurement and instrumentation. In that, digital voltmeter. In that, block diagram, operation and working of digital voltmeter. How to measure the AC and DC value of voltage, the AC and DC voltage in the form of by using digital voltmeter, that is multimeter and a clamp meter. How to work this digital voltmeter, that is multimeter and clamp meter? The definition of digital voltmeter. The digital voltmeter is a voltage sensing device. The digital voltmeter, that is, it is the voltage sensing device which will be sense the voltage and according to that gives the value. It measures AC or DC voltage and displays the value directly in numeric form instead of pointer deflection. In the digital voltmeter there is no pointer is available. Instead of pointer, it gives the digital values in the form of numericals. Digital voltmeter is an acronym for digital voltmeter, which is first invented in 1954 by Andrew Kay. The block diagram of digital voltmeter is input voltage, which is given to the attenuator, again ADC after that counter and readout system. The input voltage which is given to the attenuator, which will read the input voltage, and it will count that voltage, and after that this will be connected to the ADC. This will analog input which is converted into digital form. Then after that this counter counts the number of pulses, and readout system shows the reading on the display. The voltmeter is an electrical measuring instrument used to measure potential difference between the 2 points. That is digital voltmeter, which is available for the purpose of voltage measurement, that is analog and digital. But the digital voltmeter, which is used to measure the voltage and show the reading in the form of digital value. The digital voltage which will be directly measures the voltage. Again, advantages of digital voltmeter, that is readout of digital voltmeter is easy as it eliminates observational errors in measurement committed by operators. Error on account of parallax and approximation is entirely eliminated. Reading can be taken very fast. Output can be fed to memory devices for storage and future computation. Versatile and accurate, compact and cheap, low power requirements and portability increase. Means the digital voltmeter having number of advantages, that is power consumption. It requires the less power consumption. It gives the accurate value, or it can be portable and compact in size, and the cost of that it is very low. The working principle of digital voltmeter, this is the working block diagram of digital voltmeter. First input signal which is given to the pulse generator. This pulse generator produces the number of pulses, and one continuous pulse which is connected to the AND gate This is the one continuous pulse connected to the AND gate, and the combination of pulse generated and the continuous pulse which will be ANDed with each other, and the output will be taken from the AND gate. This will be given to the NOT gate, that is inverter. This will convert the signal into convert the signals, and this will be count and display on the display signal display screen. Now we will discuss one by one function of all this system. Input signal, it is basically the signal that is voltage to be measured. Pulse generator, actually it is a voltage source. It is a voltage source, analog or both techniques to generate a rectangular pulse. The width and frequency of rectangular pulse is controlled by digital circuitry inside the generator. That is this pulse generator. While amplitude and rise and fall time is controlled by analog circuitry. Controlling by using analog circuitry. AND gate which have two inputs and gives the one output. It gives high output only when both the inputs are high. Only when both the inputs are high. When a train of pulse is fed to it along with rectangular pulse, it provides us an output having train pulses with duration as same as rectangular pulse from the pulse generator. Means the output of this AND gate is when both the input, that is pulse, train of pulse and pulse generated output, both the output are same or high, and then at that time the output will be generated. This is the train of pulse and this is your rectangular pulse. Means at that time the output will be given by the AND gate is only this period. That is, this is your output. NOT gate, it inverts the output of AND gate. AND gate the output to काय करतो change करतो. It will be convert positive to negative. Then this decimal display, it counts the number of impulses. This pulses. This will be this number of pulses and here's the duration and display the value of voltage on LED or LCD screen after the calibrating. It. This working of a digital voltmeter. The unknown voltage, which is voltage signal, is fed to the pulse generator, which generates the pulses having the width which is proportional to the input signal. Having the width which is proportional to the input signal. The output of pulse generator is fed to one leg of the AND gate, and the input signal of the other leg of the AND gate is a train of pulses. Means for AND gate there are two inputs from the pulse generated and the train of the pulses. The output of AND gate is positive trigger train of duration same as the width of pulse generated by the pulse generator. Trigger train of duration same as the width of the pulse generator. This positive trigger train is fed to the inverter, which converts it into a negative triggered train. Then the output of inverter is fed to the counter, which counts the number of triggers or the number of triggers in the duration which is proportional to the input signal. Which counts the number of triggers in the duration which is proportional to the input signal, that is voltage under measurement. The counter can be calibrated to indicate voltage in volts directly. This is the working of digital voltmeter. You can see the working of digital voltmeter, that is nothing but an analog to digital converter which converts an analog signal into a train of pulses and the number of which is proportional to the input signal, and this will be converted into analog value to digital value, and this will be uh, display on the LED or LCD screen. This is your digital voltmeter. Okay, thank you.